PL-300 exam places the highest emphasis on data modeling and DAX, so your preparation should start here. Understanding relationships in the star schema is crucial for building efficient Power BI models. Dive deep into DAX functions like calculate, sum, and filter, as these are commonly tested and essential for creating dynamic calculations. Time intelligence is another key area. Knowing how to analyze data across different periods will set you apart. By focusing your study on these core concepts, you'll build a strong foundation for tackling exam questions. Remember, mastering these skills not only helps you pass the exam but also prepares you for real-world data analysis tasks. Let's transition to practical dashboard building, which is equally important for your success. Theory alone won't get you through the PL-300 exam. It's essential to practice with real-world datasets and build interactive dashboards. Use slicers, filters, and drill-through features to create dynamic reports that respond to user input. This hands-on approach will help you understand how Power BI works in practical scenarios and prepare you for exam questions that require applied knowledge. Avoid relying solely on textbook learning. Real dashboard practice will sharpen your skills and boost your confidence. As you work on these dashboards, focus on creating meaningful visuals and interpreting the data accurately. Next, we'll explore how to approach business scenarios and think like a true data analyst. To excel in the PL-300 exam, you need to adopt the mindset of a data analyst. Focus on understanding business problems and interpreting insights, not just creating visuals. Apply Power BI concepts to real use cases, considering how your analysis impacts business decisions. Practice reading between the lines. What story does the data tell, and how can you use it to solve business challenges? This approach will help you answer case study questions effectively and demonstrate your analytical skills. As you prepare, remember to manage your time wisely during the exam, which we'll cover in the next scene. Effective time management is crucial for the PL-300 exam, especially with case study-based questions. Don't spend too long on any single question. Move on and flag questions you're unsure about for review later. Practicing mock tests with a timer will help you get comfortable with the exam format and pace. This strategy ensures you maximize your score by answering as many questions as possible and reviewing flagged items efficiently. By combining strong technical skills with smart exam tactics, you'll be well prepared to succeed. Good luck on your Power BI journey.